In the energy quadrant today, taking a look at the May natural gas contract, which has rallied for 3 straight days now for a total rally of over 9%. Since the interim low on February 11th, natural gas has rallied over 38% now as it works on its third straight week higher. I should say third week higher in the last 4, not third straight week. Today, we had a low of down 3.03% at 5.114, but on the high side, which ended up winning out, up 4.43% at 5.508. We ended up the day up a little bit better than 3.5%. We had the EIA report today, and the weekly natural gas storage report printed a draw of 51 billion cubic feet, smaller than market expectations of a draw of 59 billion cubic feet, and slightly less than the 5-year average of a draw of 62 billion cubic feet. This improved deficits to 293 billion cubic feet and decreased supplies to 1.389 trillion cubic feet. Next week's report should bring the first build of the year instead of what's the 5-year average draw of 23 billion cubic feet. So we'll see if that plays out. Now, weather demand, always the thing we're looking at with natural gas, and weather-related demand should remain light for the next 2 to 3 days and then move to a moderate level in the late weekend and early next week. Mild conditions are going to continue across most of the U.S. with highs of the 40 degree to 60 degree range across northern states and 60 degree to 80 degree range across the southern half of the country, with a slightly cooler exception going to be the Great Lakes and the East. And unfortunately for them, they're going to see cold rain and snow and severe thunderstorms with highs of really only the low 40s to the low 60s. A colder weather system with rain and snow and lows of the 10s to the 30s is then expected late this weekend into next week for the Midwest and the Northeast. That's going to help bump up demand just a little bit for natural gas.